Today, we're diving deep into the world of sales taxes, a crucial piece of the financial puzzle. Stick around for key insights and expert tips. Imagine you're out shopping for the latest tech gadgets or trendy fashion finds. You grab your receipt and there it is, the sales tax. But what exactly is it? Sales tax is a consumption tax imposed by state and local governments on the sale of goods and services. It's a percentage of the purchase price that helps fund public projects like roads, schools, and more. Here's the kicker. Sales tax rates vary by state and even by locality within a state. This means the tax you pay in New York might not be the same as in Texas. Now let's tackle the long tail. Understanding nexus. It's the connection a business has with a state that requires them to collect and remit sales tax. It's a game changer for e-commerce entrepreneurs. For online sellers, the rules can get complex. If you have a substantial presence in a state, like an office, warehouse, or employees, you likely have nexus. But wait, there's more. Filing frequency and compliance. Businesses must file their sales tax returns regularly. Missed deadlines can lead to penalties, and nobody wants that. Here's the pro tip. Automation tools and expert advice can be a lifesaver for staying on top of your sales tax game. So, there you have it, TikTokers. Sales tax demystified. Remember, staying informed and seeking